Guys, good morning. Bright and early. Guys, we are shopping for a washer and dryer. And we are at Lowe's, the hubby and I. So I'm going to vlog what I can. Y'all, it's cold out. My glasses is folding up. Good, I'm vlogging just so you know. The washers and dryers are normally in the middle. And that's the middle section. Oh man, that is nice. What's the price? Allen Ross? We gotta look online. Oh babe, yes, look. It has that marble look. Funny yourself. Thanks for asking.
Thank you.
No price on there. Oh, that's nice. I love it, I love it. I love it, I love it. Ooh, that's Allen Ross too. Nice. I like that. $99. We are looking for trick or kits to hook up our washer and dryer. We are shopping for washer and dryer, y'all. Look crazy. I don't know, my husband on a mission, he won't stay. Literally, he be rolling. He pushing the car, I'm behind him. If he walks, when he's on his mission, we on his mission. Babe, it's a little air. You think that's possible? He can't stand in that. So he needs something on the baby, the washer's in the middle of the store. Okay. This is more like what he needs. I wonder if we can get this. Is it a price on this? This is exactly what we need for my bed. Get rid of that tub. That's exactly what we need, guys. We can sit, slide them in there. We need this. Alright, y'all. My husband is searching for a specific piece. I don't know about things, but he explained it to me, so I'm looking for it. He gave me the measurement. You found it? He found it, y'all. Y'all help y'all husbands. It's okay if you don't know. They know, and they can teach us. So don't be saying, I don't do that. I don't know how to do that. Well, ask the man. He'll show you. Let me see.
At Lowe's, safety is a priority for our associates and customers.
This ain't the one because it's half inch.
Things that lead to 16. Wash your hands frequently and
That's what we looking for.
we are committed to your safety while visiting.
But he need a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. 3/4 of an inch. See? You teaching me. Because I don't know. Babe, where was it at? And one of them bins. And one of them bins. So I know 3/8 is not what I'm looking for.
If I could use an associate from every department for customer service for their return, an associate from every department for customer service for your return.
Oh, these things have. Like, does it even come in that? All of those they have. Where is this refrigerator? Do they have the smart refrigerator? Y'all just enjoy the view. Next stop, water filters. Water filters. If anybody have like hard water, these are water softener. Filters, kitchen bed.
That $19.
Under the sink water filter. Is that what you got in your hand? No. So we can put this on ourselves. Oh no, it says reduce chlorine odor. I mean, for this you do. Now we're looking for plywood. Plywood. Y'all, I am hurting. Baby, that's what you need. Are you sure? Huh? You want to lay it underneath the bottom? Alright, y'all. I don't know. Let's just keep looking.
Jamal, please come to aisle
Windows,
5.
doors,
Jamal, aisle 5,
panels.
3.
You think it would be back there? Since the plywood? Let's start heading to the middle of the aisle. Oh, that was you, babe. Yeah, you turning stuff over. Somebody else.
Are you guys doing today?
Finding yourself. Alright, plug switches, slides, cabinets, nails, bolts, and screws. 18. 18, the lucky number 18. 118. Now look at this chair. It swivels, look. Studio T. What y'all think? What y'all think? It swivels. I want it. It swivels. Look, it swivels, guys. I could be doing live on this thing. I want this chair. Alright, y'all. Back to business. After a long day, doing Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut, guys. We got Pizza Hut. 1 box, 3 courses, all the tiers. Triple treat box. You want to look at Harbor Freight or you want to sit down? Come on, let's go sit. Let's go. Alright, guys. Woo! That was work. Lowe's is a very big store. And I put on sneakers on purpose because I asked my husband when he said we was going, I knew I had to do some walking. So I threw on my trusty dusty sneakers. We've conquered Lowe's. We ordered Pizza Hut for lunch and now we're just waiting. So in the meantime, between time, not yet. Alright guys, we got lunch. Lemon pepper wings from Pizza Hut. Look at them wings. Look at them wings. I don't know if y'all had wings from Pizza Hut or not, but they're both the same. Ooh, that smells chickeny. If that's a word. Chickeny. Chickeny, chickeny, chickeny. And then we got... Go through the light. And then you get over as soon as you get through the light. And there's our pizza. Ooh. Pepperoni, sausage, bell peppers. And I think I got a half side for onions for me. Where pizza earned. Where pizza earned its crust. There it is, guys. Okay, guys, I am closing the vlog. As you guys can see, we have purchased our new washer. Got the Samsung Super Speed Steam Bixby for Android users. As you can see, got a load in there washing. Here, load drying, and this was our final choice. We are going to stack these. We ordered the bracket kit to stack them. That's why we didn't get the base. It's just more room for us to work with if we stack them. So I'm excited. This is what we picked, and I am doing laundry. So I love you guys. Thanks for watching.